Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You know that too much oil consumption is not good for our health. So today we are planning to prepare healthy and tasty chicken curry without oil. You may think it is possible to prepare chicken curry without oil. Yes, we can. Let's start. I am adding 1 teaspoon of jeera to a heated pan for our recipe. Remember one thing, you must prepare this recipe in low flame and better to use a thick bottom vessel or non-stick pan. I am adding 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamoms, 5 cloves and a 1-inch cinnamon stick. Stir well. Then add 1 cup onion. We can stir well until the color changes. Now we can add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and stir well. After adding ginger garlic paste, slightly you can see it sticks on the pan, but no worries, we are in low flame. And next we are adding 1 cup tomato puree. Stir well. We can add 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Stir the mix well. Now we can add 500 grams of chicken pieces and mix it all. And after closing the lid, let cook for some time. Now I am adding some warm water. If you add water to any curries, try to add warm or hot water. It tastes better than normal water. It started to boil. And I am adding more salt to this gravy. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe and don't forget to enable the bell icon to get new videos. Do like and share it with your loved ones. Now it's almost ready, and make sure it's not sticking to the pan. Now I am taking 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi in a heating pan. And roast well. After roasting the methi leaves, I crushed and powdered the leaves with my hands. Now add the kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm using homemade garam masala and you can find the recipe link in the description. Mix it all and garnish with mint leaves. Serve hot. If you love this recipe, do like and share it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.